Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to cash out from Cash App. Whether you're new to the app or just need a quick refresher, this will get you sorted in no time. Cash App is fantastic for sending and receiving money, but knowing how to transfer that cash to your bank account is key to actually using it. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your phone and that you're logged in. Open up the app and look for your Cash App balance at the bottom of the screen. It's usually represented by a $sign. Tap on that to access your account overview. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says, Cash Out, or something similar. Go ahead and tap it. Now, you'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any limits. For most users, you can cash out up to $250 per week if you're unverified, but verifying your account can increase that. Next, choose where you want to send the money. You can link it to your bank account or a debit card. If you haven't linked one yet, the app will guide you through that process. It's quick and secure. After selecting the amount and destination, hit Confirm and follow any additional prompts, like entering a PIN for security. One important tip: keep an eye on fees. Cash App might charge a small fee for instant transfers, but standard transfers are usually free and take 1 to 3 business days. Always double-check your balance after the transfer to make sure everything went smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you cash out from Cash App. It's that simple and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.